Today was cat day down at Jake's and air compressor day. So on the cat, it was really an ABS problem, and we had to figure out what wheel sensor was bad, which we did. And we used the Cummins generic tool, which is called the INSITE FAULT VIEWER. Very handy tool if you didn't know what's in there. So today I worked on two John Deere air compressors. They're common rails. They're Atlas Copco compressors. And the customer that rented them from the guy next door to Jake, who rents big air compressors, he rented two of them because one couldn't cut the mustard for the amount of air he uses. I think he sandblasts bridges or something. Anyway, he ran these two compressors for a week, 12 hours a day, and they ended up falling out because the compressors couldn't keep up. They were running a full load, and we finally got into them and used the INSITE FAULT VIEWER and found out that they had faults for the after treatment for high soot load. So on the panel on the machine, I was able to find in the menus a place that had soot load, and one was at 92%, one was at 120%. So anyway, the machines are running derated. So what I need from you guys, you can help us, is leave me a message about what software we could buy that would be able to do regens on multiple OEM engines. So for sure, John Deere's, they've got in this fleet, they've got N14s, they have John Deere's, they have Cats. Some of them are newer engines with after treatment, some are older. I'm not worried about the Cummins stuff, but I'd like to get something for Jake that he can read faults in and do maintenance routines like after treatment resets and regens. And he doesn't have any trouble spending money to buy software, but we're going to try and buy something that's universal that we can use on a lot of different things. He's got one Detroit diesel in the fleet that's got after treatment. So if the software can do John Deere, Detroit diesel, Cat, that'd be great. Leave me in the comments what you think would be some good stuff to check out, and we'll do that. Thanks again for your help. See you next time on Engine Shop Joe.